Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's particular video, we are going to understand what things you have to know before buying any courses, any coding courses or any programming courses. So there are a lot of categories of courses as well, but in today's video or for this channel, we are talking about programming and coding. So let's talk about coding courses. So nowadays, lot of creators, lot of YouTubers making their own courses. The courses is all about DSA, development and any other artificial intelligence or many more categories. But there are few things you have to understand before buying any courses, because if we buy something that we definitely want return from it. So before jumping on the creator side, let's understand what type of courses nowadays spreading in the market. So there are mainly two types. First, which is give you the information about the course or information about the field. Second, courses are the technical or skill based courses. They teach you the skill. So you have to understand the difference, because I personally saw some ads, like messages that sell themselves as a workshop. Okay, so 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 100 rupees, 500 rupees workshops are, so this is, you have to be aware of. These workshops are just the advertise of their courses, companies or any program which they are running behind. So you have to understand that before buying any workshop, and definitely there are multiple good workshops as well. They teach you the definitely good industry experience, but majority of local workshops are for the advertising of their programs. They are not for you, they are not for your progress. So you have to understand that what type of courses, workshops you have to buy. So first of all, before buying any workshop, just check that what that workshop is about, because when we saw the price like 8 rupees, 9 rupees, 10 rupees, 100 rupees, we don't think too much. We just have the mindset that it's only a 9 rupees, 10 rupees workshop, what can I expect? So don't do that, because your time is very precious. These workshops is of like 1 hour, 2 hour. Your hour is also important. Your time is money, end of the day. So before buying this type of workshop, understand what is the motto, what is the topic and what is the reason behind it. If this is an ad of some programs that don't participate in it, you don't have to worry about the opportunity you missed. You don't have to blindly run for the opportunities. Yes, opportunity is important, but you have to play smartly. Like, you don't have to waste your time in it. And along with the workshops, there are also a few courses which are like trial courses. Like they have a big course, but they give you some small amount of videos from that course in less price. Okay, so this is kind of a trap, because they telling you that this course is actually good, you have to buy it, but the price is big. So that's why they selling you the cheap price or less videos, so you can hook the course. So this is actually a marketing technique, and which is definitely okay for them. But you have to understand that if you are buying something, or if you want to buy a course, buy it full course. Don't buy a part of it, or don't buy a few segment of it. Like in Coursera as well, I saw many modules. Like there are multiple courses, multiple modules. So I just bought a machine learning course which have the 3 modules. So buy all 3 modules. Don't buy a single module, because that affect your learning. You are buying course for the learning or for the skills. Don't be a just certificate collector. You are not a certificate collector. Certificate, like nowadays everyone wants skills. Your certificate does not count, and there is nothing, like there is no course that provide you 100% surety that if you done this course you will definitely get a job. Yes, creators tell you that if you done this job course you can definitely get a job, but you have to understand that what category of people, what audience of people are they talking about, because some creators are of very high level. Their course is also of high level. If someone buys their course, they expect that the person already knows this thing. So you have to understand that what are the prerequisite of the course. Okay, so prerequisite is also important before buying any course, because sometimes we know that this course telling you that this is beginner friendly, or some like 0 to hero course type of course, but you have to understand that this course definitely need a prerequisite, and if creator does not tell you the prerequisite, you have to find yourself. So always remember, before buying any course, always done a prerequisite and then buy a course. Yes, I'm saying then buy a course. Don't do that buying a course and then you are learning prerequisite, because your time is also important, and there are many things in this world, so you don't have to worry about one little thing. And let's come back to the topic of certification. So many students, I personally saw my friends are also collecting certificates, lot of certificate. I personally in first year I'm collecting lot of certificate. Like I have 30-40 certificates in first year. So in coding there are many things you have to understand, that certificates are important. Yes, it is the proof of your completion of the particular category, but in long term you don't have to rely on certificates. You have to showcase your skills. And how to showcase your skills? you don't have to show them certificate. You have to show your projects by using those skills. Like if you are in the development field, like Android development, web development, or any machine learning AI field, you have to show them your project for your own verification. They did not verify you because of your certificate, but if you have your own USP, like you have your course, you have your learning in front of them, they definitely hire you. And nowadays there are many companies, like small 2-3 people's companies also selling their certificates, selling their false internship. Like this is the very different topic for the next video, that what type of internships you have to pursue. And just remember second thing, that if you are buying a course, why you are buying that course? Why? What is the reason? If you are buying course for the certificate, don't buy it. If you want to buy this course because you love the creator, you want to help the creator, don't buy the course. If you want to support any creator, just like their videos, subscribe their channel. It's all about that. You don't have to support financially by jabardasti buying their courses. And the next thing is, buy the courses who teach you the tools or a skill. Don't buy courses who just telling you the motivation stuff, like do that, do this, and some basic level of stuffs just to organize your brain, because this sugar coated stuff is liked by the brain, but that is not very important. You have to buy a course which gives you skills how to master any tools, because end of the day this is important. When you work in a company, you definitely need all these stuffs. Like you have to understand tools, you have to understand technology. If you don't know the technology, if you don't just you are a motivated guy, then definitely you only need a motivation, because all the time you are demotivated. And before buying any technology course, like if I want to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you just have to cross check that how much time it takes for a normal guy to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Just search on Google or ChatGPT how much hours I need to learn all these technologies. For example, I give you example, like in like development, there is a Tailwind CSS, there is a Material UI. So these are the frameworks which we use to style our components. So these are very small libraries. Like if someone knows the CSS, they definitely know this Tailwind CSS or Material in 1 to 2 days. So you don't have to buy courses for that. There are many videos on YouTube which is completely free. There are many courses which is completely free. You have to explore those resources first. I'm not telling you that don't buy the courses, just focus on the complete YouTube stuff, because end of the day it's your decision. So the point is, don't collect certificates. You have to understand the skills first. Skill is important, not a certificate. Like buy a course that will teach you the skills. Like there are many courses like digital marketing courses where they tell you how to do it, but you have to understand that just knowing how to do it is not important. The tools which are required for a digital marketing, like analytics tool and various other SEO tools, you have to understand that. You have to learn that tools. So focus on the tools part, skills part, not focusing on the just informative part. So this is the big difference before buying any courses. So now you understand, you don't have to go for the workshops. If the workshop is very good and the speaker is also well known and you have to attend, you definitely have to attend it. But don't spend too much time, or don't just binge watch the workshop, all the workshops. That is not recommended. So this is the first thing. Second thing, don't be a certificate collector. You don't have to collect the certificates for the courses or for the posting on the LinkedIn. You don't have to post your certificate on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is not for posting a certificate. Like this is the very, very big myth of the LinkedIn, that people don't know how to use it. So I'm planning to make a video on how to use a LinkedIn and what is that real use and how to use that. Many people use very incorrectly. And the third thing, we learned that we have to done a prerequisite before buying any courses, because there are multiple courses that are starting their courses from very high level. If you have to go up to there, you have to definitely done a prerequisite. So now I just want to tell you two things. First, many people asked me that what courses I did, and you as well, that you asked many people that. So for me personally, I did not done any course. I'm doing web development for almost 2-3 years. I did not buy any web development related course, any free course as well. I did not follow any free course as well. I just search on YouTube various courses, playlists, topics, various stuff, like various documentations are already available on the internet for free. So just try first free approach, and then if you does not satisfy, or you just want to learn from one particular creator which definitely have their own courses, then definitely you can buy it. I don't have any I did not judge you, don't worry. Definitely buy a course. But for me it works. I just learn everything from YouTube and I understand it very well. And second thing, I want to tell you that buying a course is not a guilt. Like if you are buying any course, that it's completely fine, and I encouraged you that buy a course, because if you buy any courses, then the creator definitely have the responsibility to deliver the right stuff, because on YouTube, on various other platforms, they are working for free, so they don't owe anything. But if you lend some money to them, they definitely give you the return, and they definitely want to satisfy you. So courses are definitely a good choices, and do not feel guilty of buying a course or without buying a course, because end of the day, if I found some courses on YouTube, if for example I want to learn a DSA, like currently I am also searching for the DSA material, so if I found some course which is paid, and definitely I will going to buy it. It does not mean that I learn a development from YouTube is like equals to I definitely mastered the DSA from the YouTube. So it definitely depends. If I just found a good resources on a YouTube, I will definitely stick to it, and if I found some courses which definitely like helpful to me, I definitely going to buy it. You have to understand that it's all about your preference or your skill. Like if you are learning anything from it, you definitely have to buy it. Don't think about the money. If the course is of 4,000, 5,000, 10,000, if it is okay, if it is good, and if it is give you benefit in the future, definitely go and buy it, because this single course gives you the highest opportunity, job opportunity in the future. So this is my take on the courses. Maybe I will be the one who is making courses in future for you guys. I will give my 100%, but for now I'm making these videos for free on YouTube. So please subscribe this channel and like this video. I will definitely bring so much lot of contents which is helpful to you, to the programming community and coding community, because I'm not a very genius guy, but I learn all these things by my own. So I will definitely tell you how to do that. So connect me on LinkedIn or Twitter. All the handles are in description. So see you in another video. Bye bye.